And start stretching. Interlock your fingers. Breathe in and hold. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe out. Hold your knees. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe in. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe out. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe in. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe out. Hold. Straight your back. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe in and relax. Fill a pyramid gap, then hold your waist. Stretch your back, breathe in and hold. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe out. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe in. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe out. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe in. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Breathe out. Hold. One, two, three, four, and five. Then twist your waist. दोनों पैरों को open. Then twist. Exhale. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Exhale. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. And relax. Then stretch your arms. Arms को stretch करेंगे. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Then start a suction down. Hold your waist. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Hold. Then leg change. दूसरी leg से same position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then rotation clockwise. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then hold your foot. Foot को hold करेंगे. Then breathe in. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Come on. Breathe in. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out and relax. करेंगे हम पर्वत आसना. Please watch you down. खुद करेंगे पर्वत आसना. Look at your belly button. Then breathe out. Hold the Bhujangasana. Then breathe in. Hold the Parvatasana. Then breathe out. Hold the Bhujangasana. Clear? Challenge. Start. Come on. Hold the Parvatasana. Look at your belly button. Push your shoulder. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Very good. Hold. Elbow bend. Shefali ma'am, थोड़ा सा elbow bend करेंगे. Yes. Yes. Very good. Lower tummy को उठाएंगे. 1. Manju ma'am, same position. Then elbow bend. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Hold. Parvatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Hold. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Hold. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Hold. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then hold the Makarasana. Makarasana में लेट जाएंगे. Then open your leg. Move your legs. Then hold the Makarasana. Move your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. चलो now start करेंगे प्राणायाम. Clear? Then hold the Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana. जिस पोजीशन में आप कंफर्टेबल हो हम बैठ जाएंगे. Then first one, Kapalabhati Kriya. Then hold the Gyan Mudra pose, straight your back. Then close your eyes, 60 stroke करना है आप सभी को. Clear? Then breathe in and start. Exhale. Then start a Bhastrika. दोनों हाथों को सीधा. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. कोमल मैम, इस तरीके से हम क्रॉस नहीं करेंगे या ऊपर से करेंगे तो दोनों हाथों को इस तरीके से साइड ले आएंगे. क्लियर? देन फर्स्ट फ्रंट से करेंगे तो भी दोनों हाथों को इस तरीके से साइड ले आएंगे. क्लियर? हमारे पाम्स ओपन रहते हैं. देन वापस आते हुए हम क्लोज करेंगे. यस, ये पोजीशन. यस, राइट. चलिए देन स्टार्ट करेंगे. अनुलोम विलोम. Focus your third eye. Close your eyes and focus your third eye. Then slowly breathe left nostril. And close your left nostril. Breathe out right nostril. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. And start doing the meditation here.